Today we are looking at how to make money and be successful in Nigeria as a 20-something-year-old. None of your adult life. Your 20s determines what happens to you in your 30s, 40s, 50s, and beyond. That said, so how do you make money? How do you make massive money and be successful in Nigeria as a 20-something-year-old? There's only one way, apart from the regular hustling thing. You get to work, you have to work to make money, you have to also to make money. But beyond that, there's just one way to make massive money, and be extremely successful in Nigeria as a 20-something-year-old. So, what is that one way? Now, the one way that you need to follow as a 20-something-year-old is to have a mentor. You need to have a guide. You need to have somebody who will show you how to make massive money and be successful in Nigeria. Now, stay with me. You know that for anyone to be successful in the academics, that person needs teachers. Not just one teacher, a series of teachers. So the same thing applies to you. You need mentors to be extremely successful in your 20s. If you don't have a mentor, it will be very, very hard for you to be successful in life. What I am doing at the moment is providing you mentorship. I'm guiding you on how to make your 20s count, make your life count. If I'm you, I will click the subscribe button, because that way you have access to me. The same thing happens to you when you have mentors. You have access to someone who has already been there. That person has acquired up to 2 decades or 3 decades of experience regarding that thing that you want to accomplish. I mean, it makes no sense for you want to become a medical doctor and you didn't attend a medical school. How will it be possible? You mean you want to hustle it and become successful on your own? It's not done. Unfortunately, this is what a whole lot of young people are doing in Nigeria, and they want to be successful. If you don't have a mentor, if you don't have a guide, you have somebody who is showing you the way, who is taking you through the corners, the shortcuts, it will be very, very difficult for you to be successful as a 20-something-year-old. As a matter of fact, a whole lot of adults who are in their 40s and 50s that are still hustling, not that they are not intelligent, not that they are not smart, but because they refuse to get mentors, they refuse to find guides, they refuse to get people who will show them the way. A lot of politicians, if they want to get to political posts, particularly in this our nation, I'm sure you know, they always look for people who will influence others on their behalf. Presidents do that. As a matter of fact, there is no president in this nation who does not go to other influencers, other people that would guide him on how to get the votes from people that are not from his own region. Now the same thing for you. If you want to excel as a 20-something-year-old, if you want to excel in a massive way, you want to make money and be successful, even starting from your 20s, you need to get a mentor. You need to find somebody who already knows the way and can show you the way. Understand this, your 20s is the foundation for the rest of your adult life, and it makes sense for you to get a mentor. It makes sense for you to find a guide who will show you ways of getting to your destination at a very shorter period without hustling and stressing yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, and of course click the like button so that you can have access to more life transforming information like this.